The sun did not shine,
It was too wet to play.
so we sat in the house all that cold, cold, wet day.
I sat there with Sally,
We sat there, we two.
and I said how I wish we had something to do,
Too wet to go out,
and too cold to play ball.
so we sat in the house. We did nothing at all.
So all we could do was to sit,
Sit.
sit,
Sit.
sit.
And we did not like
it. Not one little bit.